So I wanted to go over real quick, you know, just a little bit about, you know, taking the valves out of your head. This guy is pretty dirty, so I'm going to take it and stick it in some. I'm going to stick it in some chem dip, see what we could do with it. I've also used the method of soda blasting, but kind of messy and kind of time consuming if you don't have a big air compressor, you know, 45 plus. But yeah, so I'm gonna go through this. This is a device I'm gonna be using. I do not remember where I bought it from. I'm sure CB Performance or Air Cooled would have something similar. I got some tape on there. It's messy as crap. I've had this for years and I've only used it like once or twice, but still, when you want to do this stuff, it makes it a lot simpler. But literally all you're going to be doing is sitting in this device, and put this guy over here. Well, we're going to push down, we're going to get the keepers out of there, and then slowly release so that we can not shoot the valve out. But once you get it down, then you'll have the keepers that you gotta push away. Spray down with some card cleaner or something before you start, if it's as dirty as this one. Yeah, get them out of there. And that's it. You'll just, once you get them all out, you'll take the springs off and push the valve through. And then at that point, you know, you can worry about the guides as well. You can measure them out, see if they're worn out. If they need to be replaced, that's a whole different ball game right there. To get them out, and then make sure you freeze them to push them back in, or press them back in rather. That's something I haven't done yet, but yeah, once you have them out, you literally just pull these valves out, and that's it. If you got any other questions, definitely try to answer them. You know, comment, like the video, and subscribe.